Microsoft Word for Teaching and Learning. Module 7, Printing and Page Layout. Welcome to Module 7, the final module in our Microsoft Word course for early childhood educators. In this module, we'll explore how to set up your document for printing and adjust the page layout to make sure everything looks perfect both on screen and on paper. Let's dive into how you can prepare your documents for printing. Viewing your document in Print Preview. Before printing, it's important to see how your document will look on paper. This helps you catch any formatting issues or adjustments you might need to make. Click on the File tab in the ribbon. Step 2. Select Print from the menu. This will open the Print Preview view. Step 3. Review your document as it will appear when printed. You can use the arrows to navigate through the pages if your document is more than one page long. For example, if you've created a worksheet with activities for your learners, checking the Print Preview ensures that all text and images are correctly positioned on the pages. Changing margins. Margins are the blank spaces around the edges of your document. Adjusting margins can help you fit more content on a page or ensure there's enough space for binding or personal notes. Step 1. Go to the Layout tab on the ribbon. Step 2. Click on Margins in the Page Setup group. Step 3. Choose one of the preset margin options or select Custom Margins to specify your own measurements. For instance, if you're preparing a document with handouts for a parent-teacher meeting and need more space on the edges for comments, you can adjust the margins accordingly. Scaling and orientation. Scaling adjusts the size of your document content to fit more or less on each page, while orientation changes whether the page is in portrait, vertical, or landscape, horizontal mode. Changing orientation. Go to the Layout tab. Click on Orientation in the Page Setup group. Select Portrait or Landscape based on how you want your content to be displayed. Scaling your document. In the Print menu, under the File tab, find the Scale to Paper Size option. Choose a scaling option to fit your document content onto your selected paper size. Setting worksheet margins. If you're working with worksheets, setting margins helps ensure that content fits neatly on the pages without being cut off. Go to the Layout tab, click on Margins and select Custom Margins. Enter your desired margin sizes and click OK. This is useful for creating worksheets where you need to ensure that all text and tables are properly positioned within the printable area. Working with Page Layout View. Page Layout View helps you see how your document will appear when printed, including the margins and page breaks. Click on the View tab on the ribbon. Select Print Layout from the options. This view shows you how the pages will look on paper. Use this view to make final adjustments before printing, ensuring that everything is in the right place. Printing a specific range of cells. Sometimes you only want to print a portion of your document. Here's how to print a specific range of cells if you're working with tables or forms. Highlight the range of cells you want to print. Go to the File tab and select Print. Under Settings, choose Print Selection from the drop-down menu. In this module, we've covered how to set up your document for printing and adjust the page layout to ensure everything looks great both on screen and in print. From adjusting margins and scaling to working with Print Preview and Page Layout View. These tools will help you create professional quality documents for your classroom. Thank you for completing this Microsoft Word course. We hope you find these skills valuable in creating engaging and well-organized materials for your learners.